back to the channel, guys. Today is an Insta360 X3 unboxing extravaganza. I'll be unboxing the camera itself, some of the accessories, and the dive case that I ordered. Let's get started. All right, this is the big box that it came in, just to show you. Behind that, we have the dive case, the lens cap. I already unboxed this, the pole, and then the camera itself, excuse me, and then the SD card is actually attached to the back of this. So this is the bundle package. I'll show you what it looks like online, how much it costs. Realize now from Insta, once I unbox this, I own it. It's mine. So I'm going all in. Here we go. Got the GoPro Hero 11 coming. I have a dive trip coming. That's why I got the dive case. I want to kind of go back and forth, see what that looks like. And then we'll make our big decision later on, and we'll decide if we're really going to sell the camera or keep the camera. Let's go ahead and get the unboxing going. And I'm thinking the dive case first. I think some of you guys are just watching that because everybody's seen probably this unboxed. But let's look at the dive case. Like GoPro attachment. And this looks to be like a case. Yeah, nice touch. I guess I'll use it to keep the, when I pack it in my bag, I'll definitely use that. So that looks, some tools to tighten it down with. Oh, and the most important thing, the little devices to help get it defogged when you're under the water. These are very important. So I'll put these back so I won't lose them. All right, that's the dive case. I'll go ahead and put the camera in a second once I get that opened. Very important to get this because the little thing that comes inside, like the little, it's kind of like a neoprene little case, is a pain to get on and off constantly. This actually should be included instead of that, but it's not. They're pretty cheap. You can get them on Amazon. They're out right now. I know they had, that's where I got mine for the X2 when I had that. Yep, this is simple little rubberized cape. This is a must-have. You'll see if you use this camera that you use it and you want to put it back in your bag. This goes right on top of the lens and then you're done, back in the bag you go. Versus trying to slide that thing on very tight. You'll see in a minute, but this is a must-have. All right, that's the lens cap. Move off to the side. All right, here we go. Voila. Definitely has more weight to it than the X2. All right, we'll move this out of the way. It's got the protective things on, so I can put that down right there. Let's see what's in this compartment here. USB-C to A, which is getting kind of old. We're kind of going to USB-C to USB-C. So that's a little bit disappointing there. This is the neoprene. I'm not going to open it up and I'm not going to use it, but the neoprene case that would slide over your camera. Yeah, that's going to go back in here in case I decide to sell it down the road. Some stickers from Insta. Put that on your water bottle if you want. Some verbiage inside that we don't really read because we don't know how to read. Just kidding. There's nothing. That's it. That is your unboxing with the dive case. When we put the camera in the dive case, show you did that just for giggles. And we'll do a lot of testing with this dive case. Footage, all that kind of stuff, to see what it's like. I assume, well, is there a difference? Yep, buttons are on this side, so in. Make sure you line up the buttons there. And we're in. Okay, you think this will get better footage than the GoPro? I don't think it'll get better footage. I think it's gonna get different kind of footage. A lot of times when you're scuba diving, sometimes you don't see things off in the distance or whatever. Like, you see that shark way out there? And you're like, no, I was looking straight ahead, looking at this fish. With this camera, you can go back and maybe see what you missed and capture it on camera. All right, that's it for the unboxing. Next will be the footage, what it looks like. And then once the GoPro 11 comes in, we'll do a comparison side by side of the single lens mode camera versus the GoPro. That is what I am interested in. Okay, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe down below. We'll see you in the next one.